And now to start off with the kick off this Q&A portion, I would like to request our candidates from the BSTM department, Ms. Diana Kate Jesus and Mr. Francis Angay, to please come forward. Can you please hear a cheer coming from the BSTM department? So at this point of time, before we proceed with the final question, I would like to ask how was the feeling for the three segment of this career showcase 2026?
So thank you so much, Manang Mark, but I honestly feel overwhelmed right now because of the very short time of preparation for this event. But it is an honor and very an experience for me to, especially that it's my first time doing this in front of you in the stage, that doing this career presentation and having runways production, and that's.
How about you, Francis? What are your preparations for this event?
Prayers. Honestly, I feel nervous now, but excited.
Wow, what a feeling, Kai. At this point of time, let's start this Q&A portion with our female category. So Ms. Viana, you may now pick your question. And allow me to read the question, and I will read the question twice. Once again, I will read the question twice. So candidate number one from the female category of the BSTM department, here is your question. If you're given the chance to lead the country, how would you make the world a better place? May I repeat the question? If you're given the chance to lead the country, how would you make the world a better place?
Thank you so much, Manang. But for anything else, how much time do I have to answer this?
Do you have an open time for this segment?
Thank you so much, Manang, for that question. If I were given a chance to lead the country, how would I make the world a better place? First of all, it is an honor and a big responsibility for me if I were to be the leader of a country or rather to be the president. But for me as a tourism student, I want to make the world a better place through sustainable tourism and ecotourism practices, because our world right now faces challenges such as calamities, and there are many things, especially that environmental challenges are not as happening due to our human activities. And as a Sagrabista here in Sagrado, the Colegio Sagrado Contest has equipped me with the empowering skills that inspires hope and transforms lives. Thank you.
Thank you very